What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Rematch is having an issue with crashing in the mid game and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about we need to verify the game file. So the game is not released, which is going to do in a couple of days. So just go over here in the game Rematch Beta. What I'm using right now is beta. So right click over here and go to the properties. Now from here navigate to installed file, and there is an option called verify integrity of game file. So just click on this particular one, and which is going to take a little bit of time. So what happens is it is going to cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So you have to check this as the first and foremost step. Next one, we need to disable all the overlay applications. So just go over here, right click and go to the task manager. And if you find anything named overlay applications like Riva Tuner, MSA Afterburner, all these things including Discord, remove everything if it is running. Or you can just uninstall softwares like Riva Tuner, MSA Afterburner. If it's already installed on your system, you can just uninstall it. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to browse the .exe and we have to run it as an administrator. So just go over to the game, right click and go to the properties, go to installed file and just click on the browse. So expand this up and we have the application over here. So we have to launch the game, right click over here, select this, right click and go to show more options, properties, go to compatibility, put a check on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK, and you have to check. Last step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, close this and search for run command, and you have to press enter. This time you have to type %local app data % and go for OK. And if you find any folder named runtime over here, so if you find folder named runtime, right click on this folder, go to the trash icon and delete it. And now we need to move to the next step. So these are some of the possible steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.